How to set up a Google Workspace for your small business. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Workspace for your small business. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by going to the Google Workspace website and clicking on Get Started. Enter your business name, the number of employees, and your contact information. Next, register your business domain. If you already have one, you can use it. If not, Google lets you purchase a new domain during setup. Create your primary business email address, like your name at yourcompany.com. This will be the admin account for your workspace. Set up users by adding team members and assigning them custom email addresses under your domain. You can manage permissions for each user. Now explore your Google Workspace dashboard. From here, you can access Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, and other tools to manage your business. And that's how you set up Google Workspace for your business in just a few minutes. Hit the like button if this helped and subscribe for more business tips. That's all for the video.